So something happened yesterday and I believe it's worth highlighting, so I'm gonna make you this video just to show it to you. Now I don't know exactly how to coin it, like to separate it, whether this video is focusing on Flickr signature or whether it is on the point that I'd like to highlight on, on your EA settings, to devise a strategy that, includes recovery. Now, many people only, most people, I'm generalizing here, will only look into punching in the lot sizes and that's it. They do not look further into the recovery method. At how many levels you can afford to the drawdown that you can accept, and then before the recovery comes in a certain kind of market movement, that kind of thing. So yeah, before we go in further, this just came in, okay. A review came in and from Lawrence, okay. He said that he's currently using signature on trial and then he's planning to use it on FTMO challenge as well. So yeah, thanks Lawrence for for your support. Now Lawrence was one of those who took the opportunity and tried using the Flickr trials. Well, last week I actually gave out Flickr trials on different platforms. It lasted a week, and Lawrence was one of them who actually tried it, and then he believed in it. So yeah, thanks Lawrence for subscribing to Flickr signature. Now I'd like to show you what happened, okay, yesterday to go. Okay, now the three positions which are which were affected, okay. And then the first position open at this time, second one 6 minutes later, and the third one was just 2 minutes after which, but then it closed in less than a minute. Now it's very important to highlight that recovery is very important, so that your losing positions can recover almost instantaneously, and then you will not be exposed to drawdowns, floating profits drawdowns, which would introduce more risk to you should the market continue to go sideways, because we know gold is very capable of making very erratic movements, and should you be caught in it, you really want to get out as fast as possible. Flickr was designed to do that. Now you will not be able to see what happened yesterday, so I'm gonna go to trading view, okay, and I believe that it happened around this area, okay, on the 22nd, 1600, okay, time, okay, so it should be around here. So if I were to punch the levels in, okay, and then we just have a look at it, okay. 190378, so 1903 1903.78, okay, should be this level. Another level should be 1908, 1900. The last level should be, I believe, should be the last one here, okay, and the value is 1894.79, 1894.79, yeah, quite close. Okay, so I believe it should be here, and the price movement was let's just price movement, let's just highlight it. Okay, so it's just here. Do not highlight too many bars because this is an hourly thing, and then we are gonna expand it and look at it on a 1 minute chart later. Now we're looking at this on a 1 hour chart, so let's just jump into it. 1 minute, okay, so let's see, where are you? Okay, so it happened here. Now I believe it was this whole strand, okay, and then let's see what was the price movement, price range, okay. So let's assume from here to here. So what I'm trying to point out here is this: gold made a $9 movement just like that yesterday in less than 8 minutes, less than 10 minutes, okay? It made such a movement. So when you formulate your settings, please consider to, to think of your recovery as well. Now, because it moves so fast, I actually planned, a 3-level kind of recovery, at most 4 before, it will take another uh, recovery method to help to reduce the drawdown, that kind of thing. Okay, the signature. Now, 3 levels, 1, 2, 3, and they were all there. Now, you will notice that the distance, they are not the same. I believe it was because of, the sudden drop. Okay, signature only caught it here, or it was because the server responded, then signature only was able to catch it, you know, at this point rather than here. So if you look at it, it recovered. Okay, it went back down. Probably it went back up a little because it's on the same candlestick, and then it closed in profit. Now I know for sure that in this $9 movement, I will only need a small fraction from flicker signature to recover all 3 positions. So what about you? I mean, if you're using an EA, you should think about this too. The EA that you're using, whether it is providing you with enough features to help you recover with your, losing positions, or if your EA doesn't provide that, what about your settings? Have you calculated the optimum distance using the optimum or the right multipliers in order to have such fast recovery, included in your trading strategy? So yeah, I'll leave this with you. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see ya.